Hi, my name is Fred Boggs. Here at BTP Video Agency, we know the importance of getting new clients for future sale. That's how business profit in today's market. Let us help you in making sales with your product or services today. How to make more sales with a video.
We can sell your product or service with a video. We make custom video and add your script or ours. We can make them in many different languages to reach more clients. See our website now at BTP Video Agency. We also can get you on the Google Map so your customers can find you. Come and see what we can do for you today.
During Equestrian Professional's live events and webinars, we are often asked how to make a good sales video and especially how to better utilize YouTube. Read on to learn how to make a video sales letter that converts. How to make money with video production. How to make a sales video that doesn't suck. How to make money with video production or by video editing online with a simple steps. You can make money about $50 per day. How to make money with video production, 4 methods anyone can try. Videos related to how to make money with video production. http://btp-store.com/videoagency. P.S. We also do SEO. And Google your business and Google Maps. Ask about special pricing. I'm Fred Boggs. 281-918-6182. Making a sale with a video. We will get you on the map. Say Dad 102 for a very special price. An $800 video 1-1/2 to 2 minutes for only $150.
Oh, hello. Have you finished watching our video? Well, that's wonderful. Now here's a secret. You can get even more useful information by clicking the link below. Go ahead, click it. It's right there. I don't see you clicking. No, not clicking, are you? Ah, now you click. Now that's better. There you go. I see you there.